So guess what arrived? Let's unbox this Coolife luggage set. A ver qué tal. So check this out. Stylish, durable, wheels for easy movement. I like it. The hard shell. So let's see what's inside here. Ooh. So as you can see, it has storage to store in here where you can see what you have inside. So check this out. It has to divide and hold your items properly. TSA approved. So it has a lock right there. Check this out. So I just popped it off by pushing that button. Mira nada más. Here we have, look at this. You put it as a backpack. And you can also attach it to here. This has to charge your phone. It has plenty of compartments and convenient. So gives me those traveling vibes. It has plenty of space and pockets. It has that foam in there for your computer. You can put stuff on the sides as well. I can't wait to use this. Really like the style, how modern, stylish it is. You know, travel with no problems. I love the style. This is your personal. So you can put your belongings in here and pockets and a zipper on the side. So plenty of storage for your next vacation. Easy to handle. I love how it'll protect my belongings. Whether you're going on vacation or a getaway, this 3-piece set is perfect for all your belongings. Coolife has you covered. Click on the link and order yours today.